Take note that I'll present a series of questions. After each question, I'll give you some time to think about your answer. You can pause the video if you need more time. Once you're ready, resume the video to see the correct answer and explanation. In a particular laboratory experiment, a student wanted to enhance the rate of water evaporation within a constant temperature setup. Which of the following options would be the most effective in significantly increasing the rate of evaporation? The answer is B. Glucose is broken down inside our bodies through a process called glycolysis to supply the energy needed for growth and continuous function of our organs. The equation wherein glucose is broken down is as follows. Which of the following statements are true? The answer is B. Which of the following is the molecular geometry of atom Y that has 3 bonding pairs and a lone pair? The answer is B. Which among the following is correctly paired? The answer is A. Ammonia is commonly used in animal feed, in polymer manufacturing, and as a fertilizer. How many nitrogen atoms are present in 48 grams of NH3? The answer is A. Soap has a pH of 12. This makes the soap The answer is D. Which of the following is true about colloidal dispersion? The answer is C. Which of the following refers to the discontinuity between the lower mantle and the outer core? The answer is A. An earth science professor wanted to demonstrate the effect of acid rain on certain types of rocks using 3 sets of beakers containing vinegar solution with a pH of 3. After some time, the pH of each setup was tested. It was observed that some setups maintained a pH of 3, while others increased to a pH of 7. What can be best inferred from the experiment? The answer is C. It is the outermost layer of the atmosphere, where satellites are located. The answer is C. It is observed that it takes about 10 Earth hours for a certain planet X to complete a single day. Which best explains this phenomenon? The answer is C. Saturn is significantly less dense when compared to Earth. However, the diameter of Saturn is 10 times that of Earth. The disparity in the density of the two planets is due to what? The answer is C. Given the list of minerals, what is the correct arrangement from hardest to softest according to the Mohs scale? The answer is B. Which of the following is the product of the convergence of warm and cool air masses at the surface of the Earth? The answer is D. Seafloor spreading is a geological process that takes place at oceanic ridges where a new oceanic crust is created. Which of the following evidence does not support seafloor spreading? The answer is B. This refers to the completely dark inner part of a shadow cast during eclipses. The answer is A. A tidal bulge caused by the moon's gravitational force is stronger than the tidal bulge caused by the sun's gravitational force. This is due to what? The answer is C. What is the difference between the gibbous moon and the crescent moon? The answer is B. What evidence did scientists use to prove that the outer core of the Earth is in a liquid state? The answer is D. A group of friends on a road trip are driving at a speed of Xms. The driver then hits the brake suddenly due to a deer that crossed the road. Which of the following will happen? The answer is C. An object X is moving at a speed of yms at a given time interval. Which of the following statements is always true about the average speed of object X? The answer is D. While traveling to a nearby mountainous city, a group of friends noticed that the roads to their destination were tilted or banked. This is used to prevent cars from falling off the road. Banking of such roads is used to counter which type of force? The answer is A. Beth pushes a box. Which surface will make it easier for her to push the box? The answer is A. A student lit a nearby plane mirror with an angle of incidence of 21 degrees. What is the angle of reflection in this scenario? The answer is A. Among the following types of collisions, which one results in the mechanical energy being primarily dissipated into light or heat energy? The answer is C. What is the term for the point equidistant between the surface of a curved mirror and the center of curvature? The answer is B. According to the second law of thermodynamics, which of the following statements is true? The answer is D. According to Kepler's planetary motion, which of the following statements is true? The answer is C. What is the phenomenon called when a light ray passes from one medium to another and changes its direction? The answer is B. Which of the following describes the function of lysosomes inside the cell? The answer is A. which is not true about the DNA and cell composition? The answer is C. During which phase of meiosis does crossing over occur? The answer is A. This protein acts as a biological catalyst to facilitate a certain biochemical reaction. The answer is A. Which of the following denotes the correct order of biological organization from simplest to the most complex? The answer is B. Which of the following statements about bacteriophages is true? The answer is C. What type of adaptation involves the metabolism of an organism? The answer is A. DNA is the genetic material possessed by cellular organisms and viruses. DNA denotes the absence of what atom? The answer is C. If a man who is a heterozygous widow's peak mates with a homozygous straight hairline woman, which of the following will be true about the phenotypic ratio of their offspring? The answer is C.
Thank you again for watching. Hope you learned something from this video. If you do, kindly give us a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more lessons in mathematics for senior high.